Is practiced for general well-being according to an individual's physical condition and needs. If you are new to yoga, please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Lie down on your back, gently legs apart, arms apart, eyes softly closed, chin gently to the chest, relaxed and comfortable breathing. Let's begin our class with deep breathing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Exhale. Inhale deep. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Relax. Now get ready for the stretching exercises. Stretch your legs forward. Now stretch the toes forward and down. Stretch the toes up. Stretch the left toes down. Left toes up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Rotate the left toe, left ankle first to the right side on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, in the center. Now to the left ankle to the left on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, in the center. Now place the left foot under the right knee. Stretch the right toes down. Right toes stretching down. Lift up, down, straight up, down, back, down, back, down, back, in the center. Now stretch your both legs forward. Now we'll rotate our ankles together. First to the right side on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, in the center. Now to the left on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4, in the center. Now shake your legs. Keep on shaking your feet, shaking the legs. Relax, comfortable breath. Relax. Exhale. Now join the soles of the feet. Holding the toes, interlocking the fingers, flap the knees. Keeping your spine, back comfortably straight. Shoulders relaxed, relaxed, comfortable breathing. Arms are stretching forward but relaxed. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Exhale, release. Now hold your knees, interlock the fingers, wrap around your knees, wrap your arms around the knees. Exhaling, chin down through the chest. Inhaling up to the ceiling. Exhaling down to the chest. Inhaling gently up to the ceiling. Exhaling down to the chest. Inhaling in the center. Now look back over the right shoulder. Keep on looking back. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. In the center, look back over the left shoulder. Relaxed breathing. Keep on looking back. In the center, now drop your right ear to the right shoulder. Feel the stretch to the left side of the neck. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling up to the center. Exhaling, drop the left ear to the left shoulder. Relaxed breathing. In the center. Rotation of the neck, first clockwise, right, back, left, forward, right, back. Om 3, Om 4, in the center. Now from the left, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4, in the center. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Now, comfortable sitting position. Now get ready for the Anulom Vilom. Shoulders, face, relaxed. Spine comfortably straight. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. First 2 fingers are folding down. Left hand in Chin Mudra. Place them on your knees. First, breathing through your nose. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Place the right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe through left. On 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostril. Exhale right. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right. On 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale left. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left. On 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Last round. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Gently drop your hand and breathe comfortably, keeping your eyes closed. Feel your inner peace. Now, keeping your eyes closed, stretch your legs forward, gently turning to one side. Come up, first sitting position, and then to the standing position for sun salutation. Comfortably, feet apart. Relax your arms. Relax your breathing. Palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms, hands up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Relax, comfortable breathing. Right leg back. Stretch your right leg back. Retain left leg back. Push-up position. Feet, legs are together. Look forward. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Ashtanga Pranam. Inhaling, come forward and arch back. Legs, feet together. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V. Look towards the toes. Stretch your hips upward. Inhale, left knee down and right foot forward between your hands. Look up, arch back. Keep on arching back, looking up. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together. Hands on the mat, look towards the toes. Inhale, stretch your arms forward. Stretch your arms up. Exhale, release, arms beside the body. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Now get ready for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch your arms up, look up. Stretch from the right, stretch from the left, stretch. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Hips stretching upward, look to the toes. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Stretch your left leg back, look up, arch back. Left knee on the mat. Retain the breath. Right leg back. Right leg back, body in a push-up position, look forward, body in a straight line. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Inhale, come up, arch back, cobra pose. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V. Hips stretching upward. Feel the stretch into your calves muscles. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Left foot between your hands, look up, arch back. Exhale, right foot forward, feet are together. Relax, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Hands, arms up, look up. Exhale, release, arms down. Relax, get ready for the second round. Right stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Hands, arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat, knees straight. Inhale, stretch the right leg back, arch back, look up, retain the breath, right leg back, push-up position. Weight on the hands and on the toes. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Sashtang Pranam. Inhale, stretch forward, come up, arch back, cobra position. Exhaling, heels down. The inverted V. Look to the toes, push your heels down. Inhaling, first left knee down and now right foot forward. Look up, arch back. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together, legs straight. Inhale, stretch your arms forward, up. Look up to your hands. Exhale, release, arms down. Get ready for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your arms up, hands, arms up, look up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Relax, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Look up, arch back. Retain the breath. Right leg back. Push-up position. Legs, feet together. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relax, comfortable breathing. Inhale, slide forward. Come up. Arch back. Head up, chest up. Arch back. Legs, feet are together. Feet are stretching out. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, tuck the toes. Inverted V position. Heels are down. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward between the hands. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, right foot forward, feet are together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right, from the left, stretch. Exhale, release, arms are down. Relaxed breathing. Slow down your breath, feet apart. Relax your spine, relax the shoulders, relax the feet, relax. Now join your feet, get ready for the third, final round. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down, palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Retain left leg back, push-up position. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, head up, chest up, arch back, cobra position. Exhale, heels down, inverted V position, look to the toes. Inhale, left knee down and right foot forward. Look up, arch back. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together. Hips stretching up. Inhale, stretch your arms forward. Up. Look towards your head. Exhale, release arms. Arms beside the body. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Get ready for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together prayer position. Relax, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down, palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Look up, arch back. Retain the breath, right leg back, body in a straight line. Push-up position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Comfortable breathing. Inhaling, come forward, head up, chest up, arch back, the cobra position. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Left foot between your hands. Exhale, right foot forward. Feet are together. Inhale, stretch your arms forward, up, looking up. Exhale, release your arms beside the body. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Separate your feet. Slow down your breath. Relax, comfortable breath. Arms, relax. Spine, relax. Legs, feet, comfortably relax. Relaxed breathing. Now join your feet. Come up on the toes. Stretch your arms forward. Exhaling, bending your knees down. Come down, 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 down. And lie down on your back. Legs apart, arms apart. Relax in Shavasana. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Relax. Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your spine. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Now get ready for the single and double leg raising. Legs together, arms together beside the body. Inhale, lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Inhale, stretch the right leg up, straight up. Exhaling, right leg down. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg up. Stay there and hold the right side. Interlock the fingers. Look towards the toes. Keep on stretching your right leg towards the face. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up, palms, fingers up to the right ankle. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, head down, chest down. Bend the right knee. Hold it tightly to the chest. Relaxed breathing. Now inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, release, head down, chest down. Release your hands. Inhaling, lift the right leg straight up. Exhaling, release and down. Now, same process with the left leg. Inhale, lift your left leg straight up. Exhaling down. Lift your left leg up. Exhaling down. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Stay there. Hold the left side. Interlock the fingers. Left toes looking towards face. Relaxed breathing. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Move your fingers up to the left ankle. Keep on breathing comfortably. Exhale, head down, chest down. Bend the left knee. Hold it to the chest. Inhale, exhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, head down, chest down. Release your hands. And inhaling, lift your left leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Now choose your arms position for the double leg raising. Underneath your back of the neck or beside the body, wherever you feel comfortable. Place your arms, hands there. Inhale, exhale, lift your legs straight up. Toes looking towards your face. Exhaling straight down. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, lift your legs straight up. Exhaling down. Last set. Inhale, both legs straight up. Separate your legs, separate the feet. Join the legs. Separate the feet. Join the feet. Comfortably exhaling. Bring your legs down on the mat. Legs apart, arms apart. Palms facing upward. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Oh. Now bend your knees, keeping your knees separate. Right knee down to the left ankle. Inhaling up and now left knee on the right, and do fast changing each other. Enjoy this stretching, moving the knees, changing their side. Release the tension of the lower back. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Exhaling, release in the center. Now hold your thighs. Lift your knees up. Now rock forward and back. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back in the center. Now rolling side to side. To the right, head to the left. Knees to the left, head to the right. Keep on changing the side. Head is opposite the side. In the center, inhaling, lift your head, chest up. Relaxed breathing. Small ball of the body. Exhaling, release, head down, chest down, release your arms. Inhaling, lift your legs straight up. Exhaling comfortably down, legs apart, arms apart. Relax in Shavasana. Relax, comfortable breath. Oh. Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch the arms up above the head. Stretch the toes down. Stretch your hands, arms up. Stretch. Complete stretch to the body. Stretch. Exhale, release, arms down. Turning to the one side. Come up. Get ready for the Sarvangasana. Walk your feet on the wall, step by step. Stay there, breathing comfortably, arms beside the body. Stay there. Now inhaling, hips and chest up. Come up. Pressurize the wall with your feet. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, up. Exhaling, down. Comfortable breath. The back of the neck. Relaxing on the mat. Back of the head. Relax. Now for the Sarvangasana, inhaling, push your feet, push the wall with the feet, head up, hips and chest up. Support your back with the hands. Relax, breathing. To release the pose, walk down your feet, come down, palms, feet flat on the mat. Drag yourself up. Bend to the one side, right or left, and come up to the sitting position. Drag your mat on the previous place. Lie down on your back. Feet are flat. Now inhaling, hips, chest up. Pressing your feet on the mat, lift your hips, chest more up. Support your back with the hand. Relaxed breathing. A beautiful bridge. Setubandhasana. Relaxed breathing. While inhaling, keep on lifting your chest, hips up. Exhaling, release. Release the pose. Set your legs, feet forward. Get ready for the Matsasyasana, fish pose. Hide your arms under the body. Elbows comfortably touching each other. Legs, feet are together. Inhale, head up, chest up. Look towards the toes. Come up on your elbows. Exhaling, drop the crown of the head on the mat. Looking up, looking back. This asana increases the lungs capacity. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Looking back. Legs, feet are together. To release the pose, head up, chest up. Look to the toes. Exhaling, release. Head down, chest down. Release your arms. Make the fists. Rotate them. Stretch the fingers and drop. Feet apart, legs apart, arms apart. Relax in Shavasana. Breathing comfortably. Turn your head to the right, head to the left, head to the right, head to the left, in the center. Relaxed breathing. Oh, gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your spine, legs, feet, stretch. Stretch your arms and stretch. Exhale, release, arms down. Gently turning to one side. Come up. Sitting comfortably. Cross leg sitting position. Stretch your arms forward. Squeeze the finger. Squeeze the finger. Stretch. Squeeze the finger. Stretch. Squeeze the finger. Stretch. Make fist. Mutti band. Rotate them downward. Up. Downward. Upward. Sideways. Exhale. Release. Now, muthi band beside the near the body. Stretch your arms forward. Back. Forward. Arms forward. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Lift them up. Exhaling down. Elbows up, stretching up. Exhaling down. Elbows up, stretching upward. Exhaling down. Now stretching, elbows stretching sideways. Down. Sideways. Down. Sideways. Down. And now join the elbows and make the big circle. Exhaling, release your hands. Now palms on the knees. Rotate the shoulder. Exhale, release. Now hold the opposite wrist. एक दूसरे wrist को lift them up. Now stretch your left elbow down. Stretch your left elbow down. Up. Stretch the right elbow down. Exhale, release. Release, comfortable breath. Arms down. Get ready for the Paschimottanasana asana. Stretch your legs forward. Separate the feet, separate the legs. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right, stretch from the left, stretch. Exhaling, bend forward and hold the right toes. Stretch your spine forward. looking forward with the gentle smile on the face, looking forward. Stretch your spine comfortably forward, relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. This time, exhaling, bend forward, holding the left toes. Relaxed breathing. Relaxed breath, looking forward. Inhaling up. Hands, arms up. Stretch your hands, arms more up. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Holding the toes or placing your hands on the calf muscles or on the knees. Wherever you feel comfortable, place your hands there and breathe comfortably. Inhaling, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, place your arms, hands behind your back. Legs, feet are together for the counter pose. Inhale, hips, chest up. Drop your head down, look back. Exhaling, release, come down. Now lie down on the chest. Relax in Makarasana, making the pillow of your hand. Look to the right. Toes together, heels apart. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Keep on breathing comfortably. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Relax. Om. Get ready for the Bhujangasana. Palms underneath the shoulders. Forehead on the mat. Feet and legs apart. The mat width apart. Inhale, head up, chest up. Arms are straight. Feet, legs are separate but completely relaxed. Looking up, arching back. Focus on the lower back. Comfortable breathing. Looking up, arching back. Exhale, release. Release the pose. Relax in Makarasana. Making pillow of the hands. This time look to the left. Toes together, heels apart. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now get ready for the Shalabhasana, locust pose. Hide your arms, hands under your hips, thighs. Legs, feet are together. Forehead or chin, whichever is comfortable you, place on the mat. Breathing comfortably. Inhaling, lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Inhale, lift your left leg up, straight up. Exhaling down. Exhaling down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right leg straight up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up, straight up. Exhaling down. Relax in Makarasana. Peel off your hands. Look to the right. Toes together. Heels apart. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. While inhaling, push your mat. Push your chest on the mat. Exhaling, comfortably release. Om. Get ready for the bow pose. Forehead on the mat. Bend your knees. Hold the ankles. Right ankle with the right hand. Left ankle with the left hand. Inhaling, head up, chest up. Look up, arch back. Exhaling, head down, chest down. Inhaling, lift your hips, knees up. Exhale, release. Now inhaling, head up, chest up, arch back, knees and thighs also up. Keep on stretching. Feel the stretch to the spine. Stretch. Keep on arching up, arching back. Lift your hips, thighs more up. Exhale, release. Release your hands. Release the ankles. Now, palms underneath the shoulders. Head up, chest up. Come up on your knees. Come up on the tabletop position. Hands are under the shoulder. Knees are under the hip. Now exhaling. Chin to the chest. Rounding the back. Look towards the knees. Inhaling, head up, chest up, arch back, arching your spine. Exhaling down, rounding the back, look to the knees. Inhale, arching the back, head up, chest up, look up. Last time. Look down, rounding the back, look to the knees. Inhaling, arching your back, look up. Relax, comfortable breathing. Exhaling, release, come into the center. Comfortable sitting position. Get ready for the half spinal twist. Check your spine, comfortably straight. Feel the shoulders, relax. Now, right hand on the left knee. Rotate your left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your left hand behind your back. Look back. Keep on looking back from the left shoulder. Feel the twist to the spine. Release the pose. Look forward. Change the side. Now left hand on the right knee. Rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place the right hand behind your back. Look back. Nice, comfortable breath. Exhaling, release. Come up to the standing position for the balancing asana. Come up on the toes, interlocking the fingers. Stretch your arms up above the head. Keep on stretching yourself up. Exhaling, release. Hands on the head. Once again, toes up, hands, arms up. Keep on stretching up, breathing, relaxed, comfortable breath. Exhaling, release, release the pose. And now get ready for the standing walk. Slow, slow, fast, slow, slow. And now fast. According to your comfort, fast, fast. Exhaling, release. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षये मामृतात्। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय।